What is Real-Debrid and how does it work? Full beginner's guide. Real-Debrid is a premium service that gives you access to high-speed, buffer-free streaming links from multiple file hosting providers. It works by integrating with apps like Kodi, Stremio, and streaming APKs to unlock better quality sources. Now, Real-Debrid is a subscription-based multi-hosting service that enhances your streaming experience by providing access to premium download links from dozens of file hosting platforms. It is especially popular among cord cutters who use third-party apps to stream movies and TV shows. Now, how does Real-Debrid work? So you need to subscribe first. Visit realdabrid.com. And then in here, go ahead and choose a premium plan to unlock full access. So once you sign up for an account, you need to select the plan that you want to use for this account. And then choose a premium plan to unlock full access. And then you link it to your streaming app. So in apps like Kodi or Stremio, what you'll need to do is to go to your settings, accounts, and head over to Real-Debrid, log in or authorize via a code, and once linked, the app will show Real-Debrid sources when you search for content. So you stream premium links. When you select a movie or show, Real-Debrid will display high-quality links, often in 1080p or 4K. These links stream faster and more reliably than free ones. So is Real-Debrid legal? Real-Debrid itself is legal. It's a file hosting aggregator, however, how you use it matters.